just seen outside there is this huge bird on the roof out there. I don't think you can see from here. I'm gonna go outside and have a look.
Oh my gosh, why is there so many birds on the tree? What is going on today? Where's the big bird? Look, it's over there.
Look at this.
It looks like a diamond.
Can you see it over there on the roof?
Is there more than that?
Look at this. Can you see it? Up there. It's up there. Can you see? Yeah. Look up there. Can you see it? What's that? Look. So windy today, isn't it, Orlando? There is a storm. So, should we go and find out what this bird is called? Because I've never seen a bird like this before. I have no idea what it's called. You gonna help me come and find out?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go and have a look. So we're trying to research what this bird could be called. So we've just literally typed in long grey bird to see what comes up. And this actually looks quite similar. So I'm going to try and see if I can find out what the name of it is. So let's see. What's this? I think that might be it. Okay, I think that's most likely what that is. A grey heron. Think that looks like it? Hmm?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think that's what it is. So let's type in grey heron and see what it says about this bird. I've never seen this before. So it is a bird from Africa. I told you, I've never seen this bird before in my life.
Africa?
Yeah,
Where is it from Africa?
that's where it comes from. But somehow it's
all the way
out
to
there.
here.
So when you finish your lunch, we're going to go back outside. Go back in the storm. Yeah.
No.
It's really windy out there, isn't it?
And I know what it's called.
What's it called?
Storm Ellen.
Storm Ellen. It's really windy out there.
Storm Ellen's making it storm.
Making it windy. So have your sandwich and then we'll go back outside. Cassius loves his cheese. Are you gonna feed yourself?
Take that piece.
Yeah. Not me. That's it. Good boy. You want that one? Oh yes. It's yummy. Whoa. What's that? So windy. Orlando thinks the wind is going to be able to hold his weight because it's so strong. What do you reckon? Not sure it's that windy. Whoa, sounds loud. Look at the tree. I mean, hopefully like that tree doesn't fall down or something. So finally, after about 3 years of trying, we've got new grass coming through.
I don't want to break this grass anymore. I'm not breaking this grass. No,
So don't tread on it, let it grow.
You're stepping on it, Mommy! Now you're stepping
I'm not
on
stepping on the new grass. I'm on the old grass.
No, you're not.
Woo! Alright, should we have a race then?
Yeah!
Okay, stand together then. And first one to the goalpost. You have to touch the goalpost. You're already cheating. Go back. You have to touch the goalpost and then come back and touch this goalpost, yeah?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. I think Alicia won that one. Careful. What are they doing, Bobby? Woo! It is windy. It's that storm.
Whoa! That was really windy.
Well, at least it's not raining as well, or thunder, or lightning.
Imagine we're outside
It's just
with
wind.
the rain. I remember the last time we did that. I remember the last time we got in the snow.
In the snow, yeah.
I wish the snow would happen too.
It will come back again.
Tomorrow happen.
No, not at this time of year.
Yeah, not every time.
It's usually like February, or we get it really cold.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh my goodness. Let's hope this tree doesn't fall down or something, really. It's huge.